I have privacy rights. My privacy rights are better than yours. You need to stop filming.
Ma'am, you're a public official. You should be upholding this stuff.
I'm going to film you, and I'm going to film you all the way outside and film your tag number.
Awesome.
And then I'm going to look up your tag number, and I'm going to go to your house. Officer, they're calling me human garbage and an idiot. Nice little tattoo. Maybe I get one just like
GT and the J-Town Press went hot at the DeKalb County Tag and Tax Office in DeKalb County, Georgia. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe to include smashing that notification bell right quick, fast, and in a hurry. It was instant chaos from the moment we entered this public lobby. At first, the deputy wanted to verify that it was okay to do a story about your government in this public space.
Take pictures and video.
I'm sorry? Whoops.
Oh.
You taking pictures? Do they know you're here to take pictures inside?
Oh,
yeah. Okay, hold on 1 second. I need to notify the commissioner.
What is one of the public areas?
Huh?
The public areas.
I know, still, I need to hold on for a second.
Can I walk through or?
No, I want you to stand by so I can let them know you're here.
After we entered, a random lady began making statements about GT and J-Town about her privacy rights. She made a statement that her rights are better than yours.
I have privacy rights. My privacy rights are better than yours. You need to stop filming.
After some research, we found that this lady is Judge Shannon McNeal of DeKalb County Magistrate Court. She is also a practicing attorney in the Atlanta area. Shannon went on to make statements that she would photograph our tags and find out where we live.
I'm going to film you, and I'm going to film you all the way outside and film your tag number.
Awesome.
And then I'm going to look up your tag number, and I'm going to go to your house.
Why would this judge make an open statement of retaliation against two citizen journalists reporting on your government? The judge went on to make comments about the recent presidential election.
Y'all won the election. What else do you want?
Why would a judge and barred attorney be so ignorant to the rights everyone is guaranteed? This judge and attorney began filming J-Town's tattoos to try and identify her. While Shannon still has the right to record in a public space, she made some very damaging statements that make DeKalb County look very horrible. Other staff members didn't like the journalist poking around and questioning where your tax money is going. You're garbage. This is a very wild ride, with a judge having a full-blown meltdown over a camera. Let's check it out.
Take pictures and video.
I'm sorry? Whoops.
Oh.
You taking pictures? Do they know you're here to take pictures inside?
Oh,
yeah. Okay, hold on 1 second. I need to notify the commissioner.
What is one of the public areas?
Huh?
The public areas.
I know, still, I need to hold on for a second.
Can I walk through or?
No, I want you to stand by so I can let them know you're here, and then they can make a determination on which area is public, other than just here.
Well, anything that's public. It is the
I know,
public
just give me 1 moment, okay? I still need to notify them before you do anything.
Why is that?
Because that's what my job is to do, is notify them of all.
You're supposed to process people through, right?
Who's coming? Miss Golden? Okay.
I don't need Miss Golden.
Huh?
I was gonna get the lady in the back for you.
What lady in the back? Oh, you talking about Candace?
Yeah, no, here.
I don't need Miss Golden.
Oh, no. No, I just let everybody know. Whenever we have anything, even if somebody's coming to.
Can I come through?
Okay, how you doing?
Hi, how can I help you?
She's talking to you. This is
Can I
Mrs.
have my
Golden.
stuff? Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna touch it,
Yeah, I just want my
but
stuff,
I just need you to speak to this young lady right here because she's in charge.
Because I got my stuff.
Okay, that's fine. But you still need to speak with her. If you
I
can
don't
please
have
address
to,
her.
yeah.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Okay, over here, please.
Okay,
What is it that you,
Can I come through,
what is it
ma'am?
that y'all
Just
need?
for 1 second,
Because we're here for motor vehicle transactions, so if y'all have something else, just let me know what it's about.
I sure will. Can I come through?
Again,
hold on. I'm sorry. This is, she works directly with the commissioner.
Oh, that's fine.
So she's just trying to find out exactly what's going on.
Oh, that's fine. I'm just-
Even if somebody comes to make repairs, I have to notify somebody.
Oh, so she's got to come out and talk to this guy too then?
Somebody else is coming in?
No, I meant like her, yeah. Like, why am I being stopped right here?
Oh, no, I
I
don't,
want to come through.
right, I understand. I mean, you can come through and just
Okay.
go with her.
Yeah, just coming
There
through.
you go.
Do you want to check this or anything?
No. Just, please, just address Ms. Golden. Like I said, she's the commissioner's
okay.
cohort.
So what's the OCGA? What's the law?
You can film the lobby.
Absolutely.
You can film the lobby. You can't film his information. You are more than welcome to film the lobby.
So now
I'm going to say again, you are more than welcome to film the lobby. You cannot film his personal information.
And you have no permission to film. So turn that someone the other way. You have no permission to film.
I don't read it in public.
I'm a private citizen. I have privacy rights.
You're in public.
My privacy rights are better than yours. You need to stop filming.
My privacy better.
Now serving W, 171 at Station 8. Now serving W, 172 at Station 12.
My name is Deputy Clemente.
And what's your?
Now serving W, 173 at Station 10.
No, she wants you to step outside.
She is, I don't need her permission, right? But this is a public.
Now serving W,
All right, I know some-
171 at
I don't
Station
know what the
8.
issue is, but she wants you to step
I
outside.
don't need to, I haven't broken a law, man. I'm actually.
Okay, I'm not sure what the situation was before I stepped over, but she asked me to step outside.
As soon as I'm done, as soon as I'm done, ma'am, I'll be right back. Can I speak
Clemente
to a-
George,
Can I speak to a supervisor?
she works,
You're the DeKalb County Sheriff's Office.
okay, he's not here. Okay, Miss Golden, asked for some people that are here filming.
She didn't ask me to step out.
I know.
She didn't ask me to step out.
Okay. Okay, then can you step forward, please?
It's a constitutional.
No, I understand that.
Deputy Clemente?
I don't know, like I just said, I don't know what happened before I came over.
I haven't broken the law.
I don't know what happened before I
These right
came
here, I've
over.
got two cameras.
Yeah, no, I understand that.
So that proves it's.
I don't know what happened before I came over. She asked that you left.
It's called Confrontation Manor.
I know.
It's open. So
I
as soon as I'm
understand.
done with my business, I will. Okay, thank you.
Deputy Clemente?
10-4. You said what's that?
Deputy Clemente, did I say it right?
Is this
don't-
restricted back there?
Is what restricted?
That door that says employees only?
Yes.
Okay, I won't go back there.
Deputy Clemente,
Yes, sir.
don't follow what she tells you to do and get DeKalb County Sheriff's Office sued. Please don't do that.
What I said is I don't know what happened before I came over, so I
Then,
don't know.
well, then you should investigate and make the right
Okay,
determination.
What she tells me that she wants someone to exit,
She doesn't.
I'm based on whatever she's telling me.
What OCGA did I break to be removed from this
I don't
public
know what
space?
hap-
I'm telling
I don't know
you.
what
Yeah, I know.
happened before I came over. That's what I'm telling you. She came over and asked me to
There's
actually.
actually your line's building up, ma'am.
They're
We're
fine.
just gonna
They're
finish our
fine.
business and then we'll politely leave. Yeah, we'll stay
Yeah.
peaceful, like we have.
I haven't done anything.
I didn't say you did anything wrong.
Yeah.
I didn't say that.
Yeah,
I'm just
okay.
saying that she asked me to actually.
Yeah. Then she
You're a horrible person. You're garbage, Miss Golden. You're garbage.
Wow, that's called.
See?
Yeah. If you would, you want to go back there, we're gonna peacefully
Okay.
stay here.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, have a good day, ma'am.
Public place. There used to be a sign up that says no film. Okay, I don't know where the signs
Now
are.
serving W,
If you stop
174
Billy till we
at
talk to
Station
the
10.
Chief Deputy Tax
I'm
Commissioner.
going to continue to exercise my rights like I'm allowed to as per the Constitution, and you go back to doing
Okay.
your job, and then I'll finish my business.
Who are you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Who are
That
you?
doesn't matter. Who are you?
JC.
Have a good day, sir.
Who are you?
Have a good day, sir.
Now serving W, 175 at Station 12.
We'll find out.
But we're trying to go through the proper way for
Yeah,
you to do
absolutely. Go
that.
ahead. I don't need to ask for permission, not to exercise civil rights.
She's checked me through security and everything. I don't have no weapons
It's
or
the one that you
nothing.
swore no to.
Right, I don't have an issue with
I'm
that.
just saying,
But like I said, when you first were coming in, anytime we have anything going on here, I always.
Are you over Miss Golden or is Miss Golden over you?
Miss Golden is over.
I would suggest.
She's over. Okay, well then she doesn't get to dictate where I do my news
I
stories
don't,
public.
yeah, I don't want
She
to get
doesn't
Like I
arrested.
said, I'm not arresting anybody. That wasn't an issue. She didn't ask me to do any arrest. She just asked that.
I don't want to
That
leave
wasn't
until
an issue.
until I'm ready. Yeah, unless you're going to arrest me, I don't want you to arrest me.
No, I'm not gonna arrest anybody.
You
That's,
say,
that's
hey,
not
look,
what she.
you need, if you trespass me, say, hey, I'm gonna arrest you if you don't leave. I'll bounce out, so I don't want to be arrested. I've heard some terrible things about the County Sheriff's Office.
She's out here. She asked that they leave.
Okay.
So I don't. you know,
But I haven't done anything wrong.
like I told him, I don't know what was happening before she stepped forward.
She's the chief deputy tax.
We're her boss.
I'm her boss, though. I told her that I don't need to leave. Yeah, I made that.
The people's her boss.
Where's the code now?
She was,
She slammed that door over there very unprofessionally. Oh yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
she slammed it. She calls it.
She's very unprofessional.
Go ahead. I'm gonna say
So
her here.
if someone is not following lawful commands, that's obstruction.
Lawful commands, ma'am.
And it's a lawful command?
No, it's not. You're a public official too. You should know.
I know what obstruction is.
I do too.
Come on over to Criminal Division, we can talk.
Where's it at?
Right across here on Camp Circle. Criminal
Camp
Division.
Circle? Is it a public lobby in there?
Sure, come on over.
It's a public lobby?
Yeah, and it's a courthouse.
You're straight garbage. You are garbage.
Pardon me?
You're garbage.
You calling me garbage?
Yes.
Why are you calling me garbage, sir?
Because you're horrible.
Why am I horrible, sir?
You're just
What's
horrible.
your name, sir?
I don't give my name out.
You don't give your name out?
No.
But you call people garbage?
Ma'am, you're a public official. You should be upholding this stuff.
Upholding what?
Your oath
What is my oath?
to support the U.S. Constitution.
I support the Constitution
Then-
more than you can even imagine.
That I'm allowed to film in here freely without bothering anybody.
You are not allowed to film in a public location without an authorization of the official.
Ma'am, you're horrible.
Big mistake.
I don't think so, because we have to go around and walk around with you, and we don't have proper authority.
You are such a
We
horrible
don't have enough
person.
security for you. Hello, how can I help you?
You need security for a camera?
Yes. Yes.
Remember your oath. Constitution protected activity.
Uh-huh.
You know what now? This is the one thing Constitution protected activity will strictly qualified.
I understand. I don't
I'm
qualify.
trying to keep this safe. Right.
Shannon McNeal.
so if you have an issue,
I will. Go back and do your thing. If you're trespassing,
Bye.
that would be under fire. Because I
I just don't understand why you think I'm garbage.
You got a job to go do, don't you?
Well, maybe you do.
I don't understand.
So is this your job? To come and harass citizens
I haven't
trying
harassed
to get
you.
up services?
I haven't harassed you, ma'am. You started yelling at me. You started yelling at me.
I have never yelled at you.
And you told us we're not allowed to film you, that your rights are better than ours. You said that sitting there. How is your
I
rights
have
better
a
than
right to
mine?
not be filmed.
But how is your rights
Because I don't know what
better?
you're going to do with this film.
How are your rights better than mine, though?
I'm not going to tell you. Because you believe your rights are better than mine.
No, I
Because you
don't. I
have-
never said that.
Okay, so I can stand here and just walk around after you for the rest of the day filming you?
Sure.
And that's okay?
Sure. Yeah, go ahead. Knock yourself out.
Okay.
Follow me around and film me.
Okay.
I really don't care. Take all my pictures and
trespass on
So, you called me a despicable human. You called me human garbage?
I called you garbage, ma'am.
You called me human garbage?
Yes, ma'am.
You called me human garbage?
I called you garbage. You're a horrible
You
person.
called me, you said I was a horrible person, but I
Yes.
don't understand the basis for that.
You work for the taxpayers.
How do you know who I work for?
You just said you got a magistrate court on. You said you work in the criminal court across the street. You told me to come over there and film in y'all's public lobby, which I may just come over there and do that. And there's nothing you can do. You work for the people, ma'am. You work for all these people here. You receive taxpayer money. The people pay you to do a job. Your rights are not better than my rights, ma'am.
I have a right to not be filmed.
Okay, what about these cameras in here?
I have a right to not be filmed by human beings who will not identify themselves or explain why they are filming
I don't have
me
to.
as I'm walking around in my everyday life.
I don't have to. I wasn't here for you, ma'am. You made a scene over there by making a statement.
Tell them that.
No one said anything to you. You straight up told her that we don't have a right to film in here. Nobody said nothing to you, ma'am. You engaged with me first, or with us first.
So our sheriff's office are post-certified law enforcement.
Good for them.
And when they give you a lawful order, which is to leave the premises because you have no business here, and you don't do that.
Are you a
that is-
deputy?
That is called obstruction.
Are you a certified law enforcement
I
officer?
am not.
Okay. She is.
She is.
And
So
she
if
hasn't told us
instructs
that.
you to leave this premises,
She doesn't have that right.
then she has the
This
right
isn't.
to do
This
that.
isn't private property, ma'am.
This is still public property, but you don't have the right to just come in because you want to.
Are you a clerk or like what are you?
If you are
what?
inhibiting the business of the office
How? How did
by
I do that?
engaging in customers, interfering with
You
customers,
engaged with me first, though.
you have engaged with me as a customer,
How?
called me names.
How?
You said I was a despicable human being, and I find that offensive. You have
Okay.
offended me as a customer of this office.
Okay. Well, that's
So
my
you
criticism
then
to my
are
government.
causing a disturbance in this office.
Okay, that's my criticism to my
And so
government.
that's the basis for you to be asked to leave.
But you engaged with us first.
It doesn't really matter who engages
Oh, it
with
doesn't.
who. If there
It do-
is a public
oh.
disturbance, and you're involved in a public disturbance, and then you're asked to leave and you refuse to, then it's obstruction if you fail to follow the lawful order of a deputy to leave the premises.
So it's not obstruction for you when you engage with us first?
No, we're private citizens. I can fuss with you all I want to.
Of course you can.
And if that is
But you're
somehow
wearing a
impedes the
magistrate court of
business of the
DeKalb
tag
County.
office, we both can be thrown out.
You're wearing a magistrate court of DeKalb
Is this
County?
magistrate court?
I don't know.
Is it?
You said criminal court. You work over there in criminal court.
I don't work here.
So?
What does that mean? So, I don't work in this building.
you're
I'm a
allowed-
customer. See, I'm a customer.
You're
I'm
allowed
a
to-
customer.
you're allowed to
I just
film.
went to the tag office.
You're allowed to film me just as much as I'm allowed to film you.
But we're not allowed to fuss and carry on and disturb this office.
I didn't disturb it, ma'am. You engaged with us first.
But you're not stopping engaging with me.
Ma'am,
You're
I'm redressing my
continuing to fuss
government.
with me.
You
You're
identified
continuing to
yourself
call
as a
me human
government.
garbage.
You identified
You're not
yourself.
walking away from me.
You identified
You
yourself
just
as a
keep
human.
standing here filming me and offending me.
So I have to walk away. You don't get to walk away.
You can walk away.
So can you.
So if you choose to continue to be obstructive with me, then we're causing a disturbance. And when people cause a disturbance in a public place, they can be ordered to leave by the by the security. And if security orders us to leave and we don't, we can be arrested for obstruction.
Then arrest me for obstruction.
They will if they come over here and order you to leave and you don't.
You can go, ma'am. You're good. You
No,
can go.
I'm not leaving because if you're going to film me, I'm going to film you. And I'm going to film you all the way outside and film your tag number.
Awesome.
And then I'm going to look up your tag number and I'm going to go to your house and I'm going to camp right outside your house. And I'm going to
Oh, so you're going to use an official government system to find out who I am?
No, I don't have to do that.
You just
It's
said
the
you're
age
gonna-
of the internet.
You just said you're
can
gonna
look
run
up
my
people's
tag.
tag numbers.
You said you're going to run my tag.
I didn't say I was going to run your tag. I said I was going to look up your tag
Well,
number.
feel free to come to my house and camp on the public easement, but you can't come in my yard.
Are you
The
sure?
yard, yeah, the yard's private. It's private property. The yard is.
The yard's private property?
Yeah, yeah.
What about that 10 feet where the government has an easement?
This lady's an idiot.
So I'm an idiot.
This lady's an idiot.
Officer, they're calling me human garbage and an idiot. Can you please ask these people to leave? You're causing a disturbance. You're filming me and you have no right to film me. So if you're going to film me, I'm going to film you. So you're Karen Magnet?
She doesn't get it.
Okay.
She's causing a disturbance, ma'am.
Court upholds restriction on video recording in government buildings.
I see what you're saying.
So holds a decision Friday by Judge
Yeah,
Shannon.
see the Smith fee coming right here?
Right.
That actually gives me the permission. That's actually the case law that
Okay.
gives me
Oh,
permission.
yeah, we're
It says
good.
court upholds restriction
Yeah,
on
that says it
video.
has held in case Smith fee.
Right, but that's not the whole
I know.
thing. That's not the
Look.
totality of the whole thing.
However, they're creating a disturbance with me, and all you have to do is order all of us to leave, and if we don't, we can all be arrested for obstruction.
She's screaming at this point.
I'm not
You
screaming.
was just a second ago.
I have never screamed today, but you all have called me human garbage. In a public place, you have called me human garbage.
Okay, so now everybody's disturbing.
I'm not saying anything.
I'm not saying anything right now. But right now, I just need everybody to.
Am I being trespassed?
No, I'm asking you like I would do everybody else. I don't trespass on
So is
this.
everybody.
Now serving W, 181. Escalation. Now serving W, 181. 14.
We're leaving the building because we created a disturbance.
You have.
No.
Now
Y'all
serving
called me
W,
human garbage.
181.
And you refuse to stop filming.
You are human.
They're calling me human garbage, man.
Ma'am, I'm peacefully existing in a public space. Would like to be left alone.
183.
Y'all won the election. What else do you want? You want to shut up? You want to, well, I mean, what does it mean? Bonafide, unsuspicious, trust me, Karen Magnet, a big cross, and you're saying that you're not here because of the election yesterday? You're going around trying to find something wrong with the government offices because you're anti-government? You call us, you must be anti-government to come and behave like this and disrupt the public place. And you're calling me human garbage.
Well, actually, I just agreed with him. I didn't actually call for that, so.
No, I believe it's right here. You said you are human garbage.
I know, I said, no ma'am.
You are.
No ma'am,
I
ma'am.
am.
You're acting like.
Miss Shannon, I said, no, Miss Shannon, I said you're garbage. I didn't say human garbage, I
No,
said garbage.
no, it's on your recording.
Okay.
Absolutely.
And you know, when we get to the jail and they take it, we'll be able to see what's on the
Okay.
recording.
Well, you have to. I'll actually publish it, so you'll be able to watch it.
Okay. All right.
And save it. What else would I do?
Whatever. I can't wait to go outside and see what car y'all are in. Probably that
Oh, hey,
Corvette.
hey.
Is it that
She
Corvette
said
over
she's
there?
gonna come, she said,
Now I'm gonna
she
find out who
said,
y'all are. I'm gonna go to your house. I'm gonna picnic on the street in front of your
she
house.
said she's gonna take a picture of our tags
invite
and run it through the system and find out. So she's gonna abuse a government system to find out where we
There's no
are.
such government system. It's just normal internet lookup sites.
Now
I don't have any access to anybody's tag number.
Have a good day, Miss Shannon. Just have a good day.
Wow, you shouldn't have called me human garbage.
Have a good day.
You called me human garbage. So I guess you wanted to be messed with me all day. I don't have anything better to do. If y'all don't have anything better to do, I don't have anything better to do.
We're all three together.
Is she following me now?
Yeah, we're all three together. The three of us are together. She's with me.
Get that tattoo. It's a nice little tattoo. Maybe I'll get one just You don't want me to film your tattoo? You should have pulled it up, baby. You should have wore long pants.
See how much I can make the monkey dance.
Just a marker.
This lady's stupid.
It's not real.
Oh no, ma'am, not you. Oh no, not you.
I don't understand why you think I'm a government.
You're lovely. You're very beautiful, by the way. Is that your husband? Very lucky man. Very lucky man.
I think I'm a government. I'm wearing a shirt.
Ma'am, you identified yourself as one earlier, so I could care less. You have already identified yourself. You've got an ID as a government employee.
Now serving A, 594 at Station 4.
So you call me a monkey. You know that's a Russian slur.
Called her a what?
Call me a monkey.
Yeah, because I'm like this when you're screaming. I think she's bitter.
Now serving
Oh, very bitter.
184 at Station
This is an
11.
A to B conversation.
My battery and SD card is bigger than your phone. It's going to last longer. Hey, ma'am,
I'm gonna drive up there this afternoon.
that guy's laughing at you.
It's okay, you can laugh at me on this too.
No, not me. There's people laughing at you.
I don't care.
Now serving W, 185 at
It
Station
doesn't bother me when
9.
people laugh at me.
Now serving W, 184
Why would
at
I care if
Station
somebody
11.
laughing at me?
Now serving W, 185 at Station 9. Now serving W, 186 at Station 8. Now serving W, 188 at Station 9. W, 184 at Station 4.
Ma'am, is calling you a name an arrestable offense?
If it disturbs the peace,
Is calling you a name and redressing my government arrestable offense?
I'm not sure how you're redressing government.
Have a good day. So instead of 2 members of the press, we ended up with 3 members of the press.
And she wants to go to jail.
Well, no. She sat there and she said her rights are better than ours, and we're not allowed to record in here. But she's exercising right now the statement she made that her rights are better because she's recording us now.
My insurance policy.
Well, must not be that bad because they're not really running in there to arrest us or anything, so.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just like you. I'm gonna go back over to the tax person. You need a witness. I created a disturbance. You ordered for them to leave and they can't.
So, did someone ask you to leave after I left, or?
No.
Okay, is the other person that's with you still inside?
Yeah, she's in there. She's just been following us around in there, like yelling at us and filming us and stuff, which is cool. She can film us all she wants to. It's her right to do it.
Right.
But I don't think it looks good on DeKalb County for an employee of DeKalb County that works at the court.
I didn't even know who she was.
She identified
She
herself.
just, to me, identified.
Yeah.
I didn't know who she was.
Yeah, she
had no
did.
clue.
So.
Because she didn't have any badge on or anything like that. And she
Oh, sir. Sir, your name tag's crooked, right there. Yeah. Sorry.
You're a stickler, I already know.
Yeah. I'm prior Army. So.
And I understand.
Yeah.
My issue wasn't with the film.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Good. How are you?
Good. What we got going on?
Oh, nothing. I'm just peacefully existing in a public space, working on a story about my government,
Okay.
and that's all. And I just kind of want to be left alone.
So you're just out here. Are you with a media firm, or are you just like
Just myself.
independent?
Just myself. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not what I was told. Not by you, by the young lady that they were with the media.
Okay.
So-
Well, I will tell you, the media was out here earlier this morning.
Right.
So,
I'm just like myself and everything. I identify as a journalist.
okay.
And this is my emotional support camera. So I like to I always like to film my government from a public vantage point and see what my government's doing and kind of like look into my government. And for some reason, y'all show up and it's usually a roll of the dice who I get. Are y'all going to haul me off in that and take me across the street? Then we get into a federal suit and I've got some of those already going. And
why would we haul you off?
and it's happened.
Okay.
It's happened.
From my standpoint,
So I just don't
they
trust
came in, I told
police.
them to stand by.
Just don't trust.
I didn't know whether you were.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Can I get names and badge numbers real quick before y'all go?
Sergeant Foster, 3353.
Oh yeah, we can right here. It's cool.
You don't mind?
Well, then I have to
We
process
go
back
outside?
through.
We'll have to process back through again.
That'd be a lot easier.
Yeah, it'd just be a lot of. I mean, we can come right over here and get out of the way of everybody. Like, out of the way of everybody.
But first and foremost, what's your name?
Oh, my name's Russ.
Russ?
Yes, sir.
Are you with the the police? Okay.
The police department,
The
yes.
Cap County Police. Okay. Is that what
Do you
everybody is?
have, what's your last name, Russ?
Just Russ is all I'm gonna
Just
provide.
Russ?
Yes, sir.
You don't want to provide the name?
No, I'll provide I'll provide all identifying information if you suspect me of committing a crime, about to commit, or have committed,
Okay.
under reasonable articulable suspicion or probable cause.
Here's the issue, Russ. Okay, so Miss Golden, who's the chief deputy tax commissioner in here, she wants you to leave. She said you got into an altercation with one of the customers here, and that's the basis of them wanting you to leave. They said that you guys were fine. They told y'all were fine to stand here and film, but
That's not true.
once it caused a disturbance, then
So because of somebody else's actions, we're getting trespassed? Is that what it is?
I didn't say you were being trespassed.
Okay.
As far as we're
if I
concerned,
stay-
you're not even involved in it.
Okay.
It's mainly Mr. Russ here
is he being
that they
trespassed?
want to leave. Again, I didn't say anybody was being trespassed. I'm telling you, they want you to leave because you caused a disturbance here with a customer.
Oh, I didn't know that someone could walk up to me and yell at me and stuff, and then and then I'm getting forced to leave. And it brought to my attention that that's a judge, actually.
Okay, well, that other party,
I'm sorry.
the other party, from my understanding, left, correct?
I don't know where she went.
Okay, well, it's our understanding that she left. And so if she was here, I'm sure that they would have been asking her to leave as well. I can't,
So can I ask you a question?
that's just an assumption, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, from what I saw,
That's speculation.
She came up to him and was screaming at him. Just like she was sitting in this chair right here in the second row, screaming
I
at
got
us
you.
when we were peacefully walking around. So he didn't cause a disturbance, she was screaming.
Mr. Russell, do you have that interaction between you and her on film?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Do you mind showing it?
Not right now. It's private. I'll publish it in my story tonight. It's going to come out. I'm more than happy to give y'all where my channel is. And if she is a judge, because the deputy there stated that she identified as a judge. I don't know. I can't confirm that yet. Once I confirm that lady in here is a judge, she is going to make DeKalb County look so freaking horrible. The statements that she made out there that was captured on here, why would a judge tell me that her rights are better than mine? Why would a judge say that?
Our whole purpose here, we're not here to, judge any of that.
Oh, yeah.
Or make decisions on any of that. Our whole purpose here is because the Chief Deputy Tax Commissioner Golden in there wants us to ask you to leave because you were involved in a disturbance that disrupted the operation of this building.
Okay, I'll respectfully decline leaving if you're asking me. However, under threat of arrest or issue me a formal trespass, I will leave. I'll vacate the property then. Given the opportunity to leave. But if you're just asking me, I can ask you for $20. You want to give it to me? Probably not. So, if it's a lawful command for me to leave, then issue me a lawful command and then issue me a trespass. If you're asking me, that's not lawful. You can ask me anything you want. So if you're suspecting me of committing a crime, go ahead, detain me, get my information, run me through your system, issue me a trespass, and send me on my way. I know the law very well. I will leave under threat of arrest.
And record just like we did when we.
So, you're not here to do business, correct?
I am here to do business.
You are here to do it? Okay. So what business are you here to conduct?
I'm working on my story. I'm here working on my story, just protecting under the First
You're here
Amendment.
to do business with this business?
I'm here to do business with my government.
Okay. So, this is where we're at. This is a public place. You have the right to film. Okay? We're aware of that. We're clear on that. You don't have the right to come in here and cause a disturbance. Not accusing you of doing that. It was a disturbance that involved you prior to us getting here. That's our understanding. Would you agree with that?
No.
No? Okay. I believe you told them you are going to be here like 10 more minutes or so? Does that sound accurate?
Well, as soon as I finish getting done, because I had to stop and wait on y'all and everything just kind of, because you can't really put a limit on the First Amendment. You can't put a time
we're not trying to
limit.
do that.
Well, it's called time, place, manner.
Yeah.
So as long
So,
as
I mean-
before the business closes,
Okay.
the manner is obviously we're doing
All
our
right.
story. The place is obviously.
So let me get to my whole point.
Yeah,
here.
go ahead.
Okay. We're going to leave y'all here. Do whatever y'all got to do, as long as you don't cause a disturbance.
You mean break a law? As long as we don't break a law,
I mean disrupt this business.
that would be breaking a law. So as long as we don't break any laws, we're good.
Well, we're at an understanding, okay?
Yeah, we're not here to break
So do me a favor.
favors.
Trust me. I get what y'all are doing, and I'm all for what y'all are doing.
Oh no, this is my understanding. I know the law. I probably know the law a little bit better than y'all do.
Okay.
Like seriously, I'm not trying to like mess with you or anything. Like
Okay.
seriously, dude.
The point is, I'm not here to say I'm against y'all, okay? But I have a job to do myself. I was called here for a call for service, okay? Do what y'all got to do. Do it peacefully, so that we don't have to come back out here.
I can't help other people's actions.
I understand you can't control other people's actions. I'm asking you to control your own actions.
Oh, we always do. Yeah, absolutely. I'm responsible for me.
So
I think the other sergeant heard. Yeah, I'm gonna. I guess she can send it to you. When I send you the link,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be running this story probably tonight, and y'all can see it.
And that's fine. That's your right. It's your right to stand here and film. This is, like I said, this is a public building. I'm just requesting, it's deep. I'm Danny.
Danny. I was close. Daniel. David.
Okay.
Yeah.
All I'm asking y'all is do what y'all got to do peacefully without causing any more services, so we don't have to wait because we have calls that we have to go to.
I didn't cause a disturbance.
Because you're just still talking. You walk out the door.
I got you.
We're not.
All right, so we're all having an understanding, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
Yeah. You
I'm,
bounce up more. Absolutely. You too.
no,
Yeah. We're not requiring more.
it's like no understanding. I didn't do anything wrong. Oh, sir, can we get a comment that we're allowed to film in here? The police didn't do anything? We're going to be quiet now. We're not going to say anything.
Give me one moment, okay?
Oh, okay. I'm not aware, but it's okay. I'll just look at it out. Okay, is that okay?
I was trying to get him.
Okay, what's your name, sir? Mr. Cox. Thank you. If you would, please pull in the space until she comes out.
Oh, can we get a comment about being able to film inside? Can we get a comment about being able to film inside? Sir, comment? Sir, comment? The police were here, didn't do anything? Can we get a comment? Typical government, running with their tail tucked between their legs.
Interesting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, man, for honoring your oath.
Have a good day, ma'am.